Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to hide note from someone on Instagram. So if you also want to hide note from someone on Instagram, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an Instagram application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you open Instagram application, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is go to your direct message interface. For that, simply tap on the message icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to your direct message interface. You'll be able to see all of your messages over here. Also at top, you'll be able to find the section for note. You'll be able to see the notes of other people over here. Also, you'll be able to add a new note for yourself. You need to keep in mind Instagram does not have the inbuilt feature to hide the note from someone, but you can do this clever tip in order to hide the note from someone. For that, first of all, what you have to do is tap on the option your note. Now you'll be able to add your note over here. Simply add your note. Now at bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the option for followers you follow back. All you have to do is tap on it. Now over here, you'll be able to find the sharing options. You'll be able to find the option for close friends over here. Tap on the option close friends. Also, you'll be able to add the people to close friends. So simply tap on the option add people. Now after that, you'll be able to add the people to close friends over here. What you have to do is add everyone except the person that you want to hide the note from. In order to add the people, tap on the profile of the people. Now tap on the done option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now what you have to do is tap on the share option that you can see on the screen. After that, you can see over here the note has been added. Now that note will be hidden from the people that you have not added to the close friends. So like this, you'll be able to hide the note from someone on Instagram. So that is how you hide note from someone on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.